Two people can earn the exact same paycheck and end up on completely different financial paths. One stays stuck, the other becomes wealthy. The difference isn't how much they earn, it's what they do with it the moment it lands in their account. Here's the biggest myth about rich people, that they mostly got there from a massive salary. Some high earners are wealthy, sure, but plenty of people with big paychecks have almost nothing saved. Their net worth barely moves, year after year. A salary is income. It's money you trade your time for. The moment you stop working, it stops coming in. That's true whether someone makes $30,000 a year or $300,000. A high salary can fund a great lifestyle. On its own, it rarely builds real wealth. So what actually builds wealth? Ownership. Wealthy people tend to own things instead of just earning from them. A share of a business, stock in a company, a rental property, even the rights to something they created, like a song or an app. These are called assets, and assets can grow in value on their own. Some of them also produce ongoing income, called cash flow, long after the work of building or buying them is done. Let's make this concrete. Say someone earns $70,000 a year at a job. That's their income. Now say a second person earns that same $70,000, but puts $10,000 of it into an index fund, a small business, or a rental property every year. That's just an example, not a target. Over years, the ownership that second person built can quietly grow larger than the paycheck that funded it. That's a hypothetical example, not a promise. Markets move up and down. Ownership always carries some risk. Here's the part most people miss completely. When an asset earns money, that's profit. Instead of spending it, wealthy people often reinvest it. That profit buys more shares, or funds the next project, or expands the business. Each round makes the next one bigger. That snowball effect is called compounding, and over enough time, it can matter more than the size of anyone's paycheck. That's why a highly paid person and a wealthy person aren't always the same person. One measures success by income. The other measures it by net worth. What they own minus what they owe. Understanding the difference between earning and owning is where wealth building actually starts, and it takes real time and effort to get there. If this changed how you see money, subscribe for more breakdowns like it. Next up, exactly how compounding turns small amounts into real wealth.